The second day of the TYNRAI JONG Longrynieng, or the Roots of Identity, in memory of the unsung heroes of Meghalaya celebration, that is being jointly organized by the Shillong Law College and Positive Energy Art Foundation, and also under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, witnessed a host of literary competitions being held at the Soso Tham Auditorium and premises, Shillong. Artists from across the country had participated in the painting competition, while children were given the opportunity to exhibit their talent through the child art exhibition that was held during the day. Students had also enthusiastically taken part in literary competitions that included poetry recitation and essay writing that were held as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. The director of Positive Energy Art Foundation, Dr Prakash Kishore, said that the entire event has been organized to celebrate the unsung heroes of Meghalaya who have been martyred to obtain freedom. He added that the theme TYNRAI JONG Longrynieng, which means the roots of identity, is completely related to our roots, where through culture is the identity of the people, which in turn is the state's identity. While speaking about challenges that he had faced while organizing a program of such caliber, Dr. Prakash Kishore gave due credit to the management of the Shillong Law College and to the entire team of Positive Energy Arts Foundation, without whose help the program wouldn't have been a success. On the participation of school students in the fine arts competition, Dr. Prakash Kishore, who is a seasoned artist himself, said that the students are very talented but need opportunities to showcase their talent. He therefore requested the Government of India and the Government of Meghalaya to come up with several projects for the students where they can showcase their talent.
See, first of all, though, I would like to say thank you to the Ministry of Culture, who has given us this opportunity to organize such a beautiful program. As you know that India is celebrating the 75th year of independence, and there are so many programs initiated by different departments. So one of them is Ministry of Culture, where we are promoting this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And under this program, we are hosting the Meghalaya thing in Shillong. Okay. And this program is all about celebrating the unsung heroes. See, every state they're having different freedom fighters. Heroes are those who are freedom fighters, and the same goes with the Meghalaya. So the very main purpose of this program is to bring them in front of the audience, in front of the people who has not been highlighted in so many years, right? So this program is totally done in memory of the unsung heroes of Meghalaya, those who has given their struggle, those who has been martyred to get the freedom. So this is what the whole program is all about, and we are celebrating it from 1st to 3rd with different programs, and everything is centered in the main title of this TYNRAI JONG Longrynieng. It means the roots of identity, you know, because everything is totally related to our roots. Okay, whatever, and what is our root? Our culture. Our culture is our root, right? So we are trying to depict the identity through culture. Our culture is our identity, and our identity becomes the state's identity, right? So we are very much privileged to have this opportunity of hosting such a wonderful event in Shillong, in this beautiful place.
Now, what kind of challenges have you met when you started coming with such a concept, and when you actually organize this whole event?
See, challenges are always there, whether it's a small project or a big project. Challenges are always there, and with the support of Shillong Law College and the full team of Positive Energy Art Foundation, we face so many challenges, but we overcome all the challenges. There were challenges like organizing the event in such a big venue, then communicating with the people. As you know that we have Minister Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal sir is coming who is the Minister of State for Culture, so looking after all the arrangements and all. But these are small things, and we are not looking after the challenges, we are looking after the possibilities. And with the dedication of whole team, we have made this program very much successful. And things, you can see that the program is going very smoothly. Yesterday we had the very great inauguration, and we had so many dignitaries, and they really appreciated the hard work which has been done by both the Shillong Law College and Positive Energy Art Foundation. So I think challenges are somehow hidden now, because the success is coming in front of everyone, sir.
And probably, what kind of activities that you're having in these 3 days?
See, we are celebrating different activities. Okay, the first day it was a national seminar and national art camp. As it is a Ministry of Culture, we are trying to incorporate the cultural aspect into it, right? So first day we were having national seminar and we had main resource person, invited resource person, several, who spoke here about the different subtopics which was there in the seminar. And again, it was a national art camp also going on. You can see there is art and craft. Both the camps are going parallel, and craft section represents the Meghalaya. Okay, the bamboo craft and all, which belongs to Meghalaya. Okay, so we are trying to focusing the cultural aspects, the traditional aspects, and the art of Meghalaya. So we are having this contemporary art with the very traditional bamboo craft at the same place, which is creating a new dialogue, and the audience are actually enjoying, because they don't get to see this craftsmen people in the cities, because all these craftsmen people has been invited from different villages of Meghalaya. The second day is the various painting competition, essay writing competition, and poetry recitation competition. Okay, we invited several schools, and they all came here, they enjoyed, they participated in all the programs, and they also came to know about the various heroes, the freedom fighters of Meghalaya, because when you are in school also, you don't get exposure in such a large level. You are taught from textbook or from the experiences, but the practical experience which all the students got it here, they really enjoyed it. So the second day goes with the academic competitions, and the very third day, which is the end of the day, 3rd September also, we are having cultural programs totally representing the cultural aspect of Meghalaya. Meghalaya, as we know, we have 3 tribes mainly: Khasi tribe, Jaintia tribe, Garo tribe. So there are so many performances from different colleges, from different district also, and the organization also. Like we have our people coming from the West Khasi Hills, we have people coming from Jaintia Hills, Garo Hills. They are coming with their team, and they will be doing the cultural performance in the form of song also, in the form of dance also.
And then probably, how is the state government involved? I understand that they are not directly involved.
Yes.
But then,
yeah, this is a project direct from Ministry of Culture, and this is a central project. But though we are hosting in a state is involved in many ways. Like we have Union Minister, they are all looking for the protocols. They helped here for providing the venue also. They help in managing the traffic to everything, and providing us all the help which we needed. For so many things, we went to the State Department that we need this, we need that, and they were with open arms. They welcomed, and they said that the main aim is for the program, you go ahead, we will do whatever is necessary, and they helped in each and every section we asked for.
So going ahead, will this be an annual event, or will it just stop here, or will we have different
I hope that we might get some projects like this from Ministry of Culture, and we would love if the opportunity is provided to us, because this Azadi Amrit Mahotsav is celebrated only for the 75th year, and if some more celebrations are done, we expect that we will be hosting it again if the opportunity is given to us. And this is just for this year, because Azadi Amrit Mahotsav, the very theme is just to celebrating the 75th year. Again, if the government is planning something else, or if they want to exceed the date or something, and they provide us with opportunity, definitely we are always ready to get it.
Maybe at the school level, if I have to say, how do you see that the talent in this field? Do we have good talents, or comparatively with mainland India?
Of course, people here are rich in talent. because we have seen the competitions, we have seen the students performing, they are very, very good, and they need these type of opportunities where they can showcase their talent. I would request the government of India also, government of Meghalaya also, to come up with several projects for the students. Students are very, very talented. They need a place, a platform where they can showcase the talent, and we are very fortunate enough that we have created such a space for them through this program where they could showcase their talent, and definitely they have learned so many things from these competitions which we have organized also.